Hey, what's up? It's Mohammed Sabir and I'm pumped to share my very first YouTube video with you guys. Today, I'm gonna show you some dope Photoshop manipulations that I've been working on. Here's the deal. Me and my two buds had this challenge where we picked 5 images each and spun all 15 images 5 times to choose 5 selected images for the ultimate manipulation showdown. Let me tell you, it was a real challenge, but I managed to pull off some pretty rad stuff. I'll be walking you through my entire process, step by step, so you can see exactly how I did it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to see some epic manipulations. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get this show on the road.